Welcome to Ron's channel. Today we will be unboxing this Posi Audio BT20A Pro. This is a power amplifier and is in direct competition with AYIMA A08 Pro. And according to Chief Audio Man, this is more superior to AYIMA A08 Pro. So I got this from Lazada and I directly ordered to the Posi Audio store, and after 6 days I was able to receive this package. It was delivered today. By the way, this is a Class D amplifier, meaning it is also called the switching amplifier or electronic amplifier. The efficiency of Class D amplifiers are very high, from 80 to 90%. So here it is, Hi-Fi made fun. By the way, getting this amplifier, you have two options. One is with 32 volt power supply, while I got mine with the 48 volts power supply, or the AC DC adapter. And if you will be using this to this Class D amplifier, they claim that it can generate 300 watts per channel using a 4 ohm passive speaker. So here it is, the Posi Audio BT22A Pro. It's very small. In fact, the adapter is even bigger and bulkier and heavier than the amplifier itself. So the package includes the following: the amplifier itself, the power supply, of course you have the power cord, and this is designed for Philippine power supply outlet, and they call this the US plug. So can be easily used in the country like the Philippines. Along with the package, you will have the manual, the user manual, and it has an English translation and also a Chinese translation. Okay, that's about it for this unboxing, and I will test it later on my audio setup, and I will give my impression as soon as I have time to evaluate this small power amplifier. Thank you, and hope to see you soon on my channel.
look your smile can't disguise. The look of love, it seems so much more than just words could ever say. And what my heart has heard, well, it takes my breath away. I can hardly wait to hold you, feel my arms around you. How long I have waited just to love you. Now that I have found you, you've got the look of love is on your face, a look that time can't erase. Be mine tonight. Let this be just the start of so many nights like this. Let's take a lover's vow and then seal it with a kiss. I can't hardly wait to hold you, feel my arms around you. How long I have waited just to love you. Now that I have found you, don't ever go. Don't